here at the Chicago Pneumatic booth at SEMA Show 2019, and they have just released this new CP7755 air impact wrench. Now this is a premium air impact, and it's got some features that no other impact has. One of them is kind of the infinite adjustability here on the power setting or the air pressure setting. So basically you can dial this little dial when the paddle is over here on the left from 0 to 45, and that's basically your percentage of power that you can put out of this gun. Now if you want 50%, you can easily with your thumb slide that over to 50%, and if you want 100% of that 960 foot-pounds of force, slide it all the way over to 100%. So that's really interesting on this gun to be able to do that. And again, I'm doing that solely with one finger with my thumb to be able to slide that over. Then obviously if I'm going to dial that air pressure in on the lower setting, I can do so. So you can actually determine whether you're wanting that, you know, stubby impact power, you can dial that all the way down. If you want that full bore, you know, max torque impact of a big impact wrench of a 1/2 inch, then you can actually put it over to 100%. Now also on this that's unique is the air flex here. So this is a patent pending feature on Chicago Pneumatic's gun where you get that nice smooth rotation of that air hose. So no matter what configuration you're in, where you're having to get around a wheel well or an engine compartment or suspension, you get that full flexibility of that hose 360 degrees at any angle whatsoever. Now, even though you have your controllability on your power for fastening, always for reverse, you've always got 100% of that 960 foot-pounds. So you're wanting to bust those nuts loose, bust those bolts loose, you get that full impact regardless of where you've got your switch here on the back of the gun. Now as far as changing the direction, very easy to do so with the slide here with your thumb and forefinger to be able to change from forward to reverse on this gun. This is a 1/2 inch impact. They also have this in an extended anvil version as well. So your tire changers out there, you'll want to pick up the extended anvil version. Same features that we just talked about on the 7755, just with the extended anvil. They released this at the beginning of SEMA, so this is already available for purchase. I'm telling you, the ergonomics on this gun are great as well. So you got nice rubber overmolding, and even on the trigger, you have a nice rubber feel to it. If you're not wearing gloves, you can actually get a good grip on that and actually good feel for it. Make sure you check them out at cp.com. Also keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day.